Assalamualaikum to sekalian orang and my group, my teammates. Okay, my name is Muhammad Arabi Hanafi. I will present the operation and the production plan. For the operational production included the creation and approach delivery of the individual job roles to the shops and a part of a production task and a work schedule. The goal of the organization production is to ensure the schedule list of a good created and the deadline for the production are reached and the required combination of the article that is produced. Next, we go to the location. The A&A company Sdn Berhad will be run the factory at the Kuasai Peninsular Kota Kemuning. The reason why we choose this area because it's nearest to Kota Kemuning Industrial Park. Sorry. The reason we choose the Kota Kemuning Industrial Park is near to Shah Alam City and also the Petaling Jaya and Kuala Lumpur. It can mix the higher demand for a consumer and also rapidly expanding area. In here, we also show the location of the Kota Kemuning Industry Park and also our design for our factory, A&A factory. Okay, next we go to marketing plan. Marketing plan is an element of product. Smart technology, strategic place, price, and proportion are elements of our marketing combines and shape them into strategic competitive marketing. We come out with 4 marketing plan. First, product, promotes, price, and place of distribution. For product is a key element in the mix marketing. Product is anything that a competitor offer to a target market or user. User are often not was a forwarding product. They are looking for some benefit that can meet their need and their will. Next, we go to the promotes. Promotes is a strategy of a communicating between the consumer and marketer or the trader. Promotional strategy included the advertising strategy, selling, promotion, individual sale and relationship, public and publicity, and direct market. For the price was defined the value that should be paid by the consumer or buyer. In the price also evaluate the selling price offered by the competitor, evaluate the upcoming discount structure introduced, and also evaluate the target user response to the value of our product which a competitor. For the place of distribution, the place should be in a certain place which a quality and quantity that consumer want. Distribution can be done directly or indirectly. There are 3 places that we have choose. First, supermarket, like supermarket, Ion, Tesco, Mydin, Giant, and others supermarket. And also, we will put our product at a 7-Eleven and also the public place. The reason why we choose these 3 area is because this area easy to our consumer, our customer to use and to use our product. Okay, next we go to the organization plan. For organization plan, the general manager is Amir Rafiq, a quite good experience with a manager 4 years before become general manager at a A&E company was a manager at the Jacob and have a shareholder 35% of a shareholder with our company. And next is our marketing manager is Azrul Aiman, 6 years experience, was the marketing manager at Proton Malaysia Berhad and have a share in this company is 35, and myself was operation manager. The share part in this company is 30%. The total of share which 3 of us is 100%. Okay, Next we go to task and responsibility. The the for the general manager is their work is to plan, implement and control the overall management of a business. And next we go to marketing manager. Marketing manager manage day-to-day marketing activity of the organization and long-term marketing strategy for the company. For operation manager is conduct office management tasks, ensure safety, regulate and implement measures to provide motivation for our employers. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you.